In today's video, I'll show you how to change local account name on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Control Panel. Then just open up Control Panel from the best match. And after you do that, just make sure View By is set to large icons. And here at the bottom, you'll find User Accounts. Just go inside this. And after you do, and make sure you're in the right account, you can click on Change Account Name. And then it's going to ask you for a new account name. Just put it here. As you can see, the name will appear on Windows Welcome screen and the Start screen. So just click on Change Name and the name will be changed. As you can see, it was that easy. And basically, that is how to change local account name on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.